Here is how to hide your followers on Instagram. For that, open your Instagram, click on this little profile icon. Here, any of your followers and following can see your follower list. So if you want to hide that, go to the settings or top three lines, go to account privacy. Make sure you have a private account. So toggle on this private account. If you have a business account or creator account, so it will ask you for switching to personal account. Let's switch to personal account here. Yes, it is switching to personal account now. Okay, it switched. So now I can switch it to private account. So switch it to private account. Okay, this will hide your profile and your followers on Instagram. The outsiders can't see your followers or your profile. Only the people that who follows you can see your followers list and see if somebody is already a follower and you need to hide from them. Make sure you block them or remove from your follower. Likewise, you can hide followers on your Instagram. Thank you.